Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Everybody depends where you are getting this video from. I say good morning from me from here is good morning. You know, please, this video for today, I'm making this video, we continue on infrastructure. So you are seeing like all these things we are seeing here. Why I'm doing this video today is to tell the people, especially to my Igbo brothers and sisters, to the southeast people, south, especially old eastern region. All these things you are seeing here are companies, okay? All these things that you people are seeing here are companies. You can see that one there. All these things you are seeing here are companies. You know, these are the things that provide jobs in society. You look down there, like you can see the bus here. This is transport public vehicle. This is public transport bus. Here where I'm pointing my hand, you see their park there. All this area here I'm showing you is an industrial area. It's industrial area because of, I was looking at what do you call it, Peter Obi. He was shouting that the government didn't, they have to provide job, that they have to provide the opportunity for jobs, opportunities and all that. Look at all this. So these ones, since I came to this country, every day I'm seeing development of job opportunities. Since I'm living in this country, look at here. All these places I'm telling you here, they are all swamp. All here are all swamp. It was filled up and it's built. Like when you see this grass now, it's not original grass. Like this grass is like fake, you know, because of it's not ordinary floor. Here under the ground is swamp. It's filled up swamp. Look at the road here. Look at the road. Look at that. The company. This company. Can you tell me how many people? You can tell me that this company. You know. Can you tell me how many people working in this company that is providing job for? This is how to cut off insecurity. All these people you call your leaders, so they are parading themselves, then call themselves leader. Look at P2B, look at all these things I'm showing you people. These are company. Do you know how many people this company is giving jobs in a day? Do you know how many? All this area, industrial area, we are going inside. We are just starting from the beginning because I know we can't finish this, but I can do as much I can, you know? So let me continue with what I'm saying. Let me start with Peter Obi. Peter Obi, please, this video, let Peter Obi to see this video. Because why I want to start with him, you know, Peter Obi saying that government is not providing job, they are not doing all this. So look at it, all these things are companies. The government is not providing job, they are not creating jobs opportunity. But I want to ask Peter Obi, didn't you rule Anambra State for 8 years? So you cannot build, you didn't provide anything like this. You have to live as an example. You're supposed to provide. Look at here, this is company, this is where the workers go in from. You know? So you yourself as Peter Obi, who ruled Anambra State for almost 8 years, you couldn't provide something like this for your people. All this we are working on, all this area is called industrial area. So tell me, what will make you now, you say that, oh, here, you understand, there is insecurity. All these things create jobs, my brother. You are seeing that all these things are jobs. These things are the things that you know, that at least it minimize what they call insecurity. Not them. I want to tell our people something, especially my Igbo brothers and sisters, you know, who believe in all these guys parading themselves as governors, as a religious leaders, as a senator, as any name they like, let them brand themselves. Look at all these things I'm showing you people is companies. Like here now is the toll gate. You understand? This is industrial area, small industrial area they have in this region I am. You know, in Barcelona, small industrial area. This place is just small. You know, because when I show you many areas, you people will be baffled, like what is going on. So look at it here. The place I'm working now, you can see you have where even you that have bicycle, look at your road here. This is where I'm going is for you. Bicycle, truck, whatever. Look at all this. All these are what they call industrialization. I want to ask Peter Obi, all this money they are stealing, putting in abroad, They cannot provide these kind of things in Igbo land, though. They can't provide this to the southeast people, to the old eastern region people. It's because of them I'm doing this video, because of what Peter Obi said. You as a Peter Obi, are you not part of the government? That is my question. Why wouldn't you provide all this things? But your own money, you took it and come to abroad and you provide these kind of things for them. They are using it to attack insecurity, making sure they provide jobs for people. People will have jobs and be going to work. When you have jobs, and very close, where I am is very close to the airport. So how can you tell me now, when you provide jobs for people, how will insecurity, how will you be having all this kidnapping, how will you be having all this rubbish going on in that place? For you to know, you see, these people call themselves leader, they don't mean well for you people. Ana m agwa ndị Igbo, ndị a niile unu kpọrọ our leader, unu na-akpọ nke bụ gọvanọ anyị o, nke a bụ nke ọzọ. All these guys come here, lekwa anya here 247 economy. This place bụ commercial area 247. Truck na-abata, o buru ngwa ahịa bata, ndị ke ga-eburu apụọ. In other people juru all these big companies you be passing, all these places are all industrial area. All these things you are seeing is big company. Each one, if you have this thing, you know this one and Igbo arụ ogeme unu na afị otu ọhacha ịma mmadụ eme a na-enye ọrụ ebe a na-ede ka otu ọzọ a na-esi attack insecurity. You won't already provide for the youth. You didn't provide no job for the youth. You didn't provide no job. Look at it, oh, make una dey see am. Or you didn't provide no job. You need back insecurity. And this one I now call Sorudo. That is when I look at our people, especially this Peter Obi, our people, even na mama, unu na mama, obuna abia ana aga neziku unu na adamma, unu ha adamma ne mono. Why you people are behaving like this? These Igbo people call themselves Igbo leaders. These guys call themselves Igbo. Why are they behaving like that? The way they are behaving. I'm from Peter Obi. The other day, this Yoruba man, what do you call it? Harvey, the other day. Peter Obi for shorty. But I want to ask him, this man Anna President Igbo, Nigeria State, after to chair for 2 years, did the Peter Obi do anything? Did he do anything? If you made this video to our people, these people don't mean no well for you. Look at all these things you are seeing here is all companies. They are all industrial companies. Companies, different companies. Everywhere, every angle. Look at the different big companies. Just they watch them. Peter Obi will be there deceiving you people. Sorudo will be deceiving. This one from Enugu State will be deceiving. Ebonyi State will be deceiving. All of them are all deceived. They are all deceivers. They just this and that. Do you know what Sorudo is doing now? This message now got those boys. Sorudo mburu bunyeche. Na-ata maka ebe unu na-aka nka bụ n'ime ụlọ, ebe nwanne unu nọ, ebe onye Igbo ibu unu nọ. Ọ bụ ebe ahụ nke ahụ ka ebe ahụ unu na-enwe too much muscle werechi ihe uchichichu ihe unu si unu bụ security unu bụ osinobu udo ga-achị unu sobu operation udo ga-achị ka ọ bụ na nke ọzọ osinobu operation na ha bụ ebube shi nkịta ka osinobu ebube aṅụ. You know, so unu na all this governor mmechi ife for 8 years na-echetakwa na ife na-ebe ni na-ebe oburu nebe buju sherunu better run companies like this. On national insecurity, better run things like joy. Why you provide yambuna these people you call governors means well for you. Draw her why they don't provide companies that will provide job for the youth like this. In other than if we need burigation, una sin operation all this one. Look at all these things I'm showing you people. I bring out my time. I say, let me come and show you people what is industrialization means. You know, when you have all these things, you are going to minimize what they call insecurity. Look at it. Look at it. If I'm made this video, and everywhere. So root hope of the all these governors are our problem. You know, look at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in this DSS dungeon. Can then do there? The same those Igbo leaders, the same people who never get youth. In other, because of election, because of the worst part of all these youth and they here with something mask charge their face, cover charge their face. Now all these that dirty jobs saying that they are political talks. Look at all this is only now all future these big things. So you dey see all these big companies, it can't provide this for you. Only check that peanut now. Also no face poor. What will be your reaction? What will be your position? With ebe ahụ ọkwa Ifeanyi ụbọ ebunyeche n'egbe nke ọkwa ọnwụgo but ife m na-agwa unu nwa ndị a na-ebunye egbe the other day saw Fulani person na-eme kidnapper ọkwa ọkpọrọ mmadụ bịa n'ime ọhịa ị na-ata ka eresi ya efi the guy na-enwe ọ bụrụ nara escape ka o mere gba ọsọ ị na-ata gafu ebe ha na-aparade ya ife ị ga na-anọ did I beat you? Did I do this? No, we no beat am, we no do anything, we go carry you go give police. Now, oruzie nwanne ha nwoke onye Igbo n'aka ime ife these guys name ha ga-ata anyị rakomi ha nkechi onye a ha chịkọrọ ụkwụ n'aka china ya azụ kere riri guchie ya de your own brother ọ bụ ebe ha na-eshi ike ha na-agbashi ike ha because of ọ bụ ife asa ha mee ife abụ ife because of ndị na-arụ ọrụ you call your governors. Look at all these things. So these are all companies ị na-ata kunu na-afụ ya ọfụma ife ndị a big companies. Look at it. Even that company, different companies, they are all different. You know, all could not feel of man. So for our people, in other, even that which you now for here company, airport to be very close here from where I am, 10 minutes to the airport. Look at this place is very small place. Then just develop it. This place I'm showing you people. 8 years they develop here. They provide all this company. Then build all this. It never reach 8 years old. So who don't know all these guys, all these governors, all these religious leaders, young guy, insecurity. Why? They are the problem. They are the one causing that insecurity. But to none of them, they don't care. But another tribe now, Peter small thing men are not ozugbo ọ ga leba ahụ ya swe I donate 100 million, I donate 50 million, but na ala Igbo ebe o si onye ka o donate goro? That is the question. On ko donate how can people be behaving like that? The day our youth will wake up manda na ebunye egbo manda ke na ebunye ha egbo ebunye nge wake up mana sị na these men and women that into politics, they are your problem. Look at all these things I'm showing you people all these days. Look at all these things I've been showing you since here. Industrial area. Look at it. Airport is very close to me here. Look at all these areas industrial. Look at there, far there is seaport. You know, far there is seaport. All these places. Look at that big company there. This is one of the biggest company they have where they produce beer. You understand? That is if you people are seeing that truck, that is one of the big companies they are producing. If they tell you how many thousands of people work, man, they buy their food there. Your Igbo brothers and sisters, they are inside here. There are many of them working there. You understand? Look at jobs opportunity everywhere here. Look at it here. So how can you tell me that somebody nwere chimfono to eburu akpa gawa ọrụ ke time oge ji, you know, would be not be commit to a crime. More these people you call your governor, your religious leader, if they are not the one causing it, because of if they provide. Look at Ozo, look at road. Did you see any pothole here? Did you see anything? These people, any day we realize that these people are our problem. These people are our problem. We need to chase them out. You know, these people are their problem because of Hanzu Chego, Heburego, Hangi from generation to generation. They want you to be impoverished. They want you to remain poor forever. You know, I told him out. They don't care. They don't care about it. They only care about their pocket. They care about their family. Nothing more, nothing less. You know, if you know there is so wind, it's very early morning here. If you know our people, especially Igbo people, all people know now FIFA negotiation. All Makunu are coming to make this video. But now, the day you realize that your problem is your governor, is your senator, is anybody you call it that is into politics, they are your problems. Because of you can go to other places. Why you want to support na begging? This is one of the things that bring economy, that helps economy. When you have support, you got a support, or no support, all of them, or which support? My brothers and sisters, in the name, excuse me, in the name shipping, import and export. So you never ask yourself a question, why you want to support in your own place? Ekpa, ị for tax na Lagos State, ị ya na ala Igbo, arụchara gị seaport na inweche seaport na ala Igbo ebe oshi nweche ya every part of the world. Na Barcelona here, ọ bụ seaport ka anyị ka na-aga here. So why? Inwe that thing na ịmakwa how much money that you be generating in that state. That is why you have Lagos today, because they are generating a lot of money from the seaport. Understand? So no one now prefer you with a guy near an outsider than your own people, than to create job for your own people, to develop your own state. And the anxiety, oh, Peter Obi, this and that, my brother. Let me tell you, the earlier you realize it is better for you. In Odukwa, now parade with all these politicians. Nke abia, o mecha 5 years here, or bra ka Wiliobiano, or do up one side. Ozugbo chicha ha na ochinye ki ya agba ocho. You can't have to see again or na America or na Europe. All of them have dual passport. Look at it. Okunna fear. If I need unna for here, which are companies. People wake up this morning the way I wake up. Only open na agoro. Everybody. All these BB companies, how many thousands of people not inside now, you will run away. So everybody not inside and now, everybody is busy working. Month end you get paid. You got insecurity also. Your problem, the earlier you realize your problem is better for you, my brothers and sisters, that your governors, your religious leader, all these guys parading themselves, calling themselves different kind of name, they are politicians, they are your problem, they are our problem. The earlier we realize this is better for us than calling Nigerian government every time. But these guys, this bunch of criminals parading in the old eastern region, they saying that they are all, these guys are a bunch of criminals. Look at. And one can provide, and one can provide the youth to Hanachi. Every day, how would 1,000 naira to her say na got to vote? Bunyandage bunyegbe. Ngana suppress their own brothers and sisters. My message to Ndane bunyegbe. The earlier you realize the only bunyegbe be your problem. Because of if you continue with that life, check what is going on in IT. All those guys, if you name now. All those men now who do IT ransom, politicians, right from the Mbebo, Bidolibunya Hebe, America. But now, how realize that only their problem, and then realize that those people giving them guns are their problem. Now, men are the one holding IT ransom. There, those politicians, many of them have run away. They are in exile. So onye Mbwebe. Obohono even ikpo ike ọkpụkpọ aka onye ahụ ị na-ekeriri na-edowe ka arakwomi iwu siku n'ụlọ ọkpụkpọ aka onwe mgbe ị ga-egbunye ị na-ata ife ntakwuru gị nwe obikwa egbe ahụ ibu marakwa aka ya ga-emetụkwa egbe maka o nwere mgbe ị ga-emegide mmadụ ife ya eshie ya ahụ ọ dị ka onye yi shoe na-afụghị ụfụ n'ụkwụ every time you na-eyikwe the same shoe. One day your skin will develop a harder skin in that match that place. Sure enough, I feel talk no matter here. I'm telling you guys, in that misbehave up and down. A woman, but I'm telling you, one mother, the earlier you realize, Nanda Hana avoid your problem. Not only I'm with your problem is better for you. Thank you. From me, from here is good morning. One nunne with a message a beacon two sad knows here. Metro na like button. Subscribe to our station USB Gospel. Subscribe on the internet update. I will be showing you people things how we want to live. This is why We are asking for freedom. We ask for independence. We ask for total independence. We can build our country. We can build our place like all these things you are seeing. Okay? As you are doing that, I say, may God bless you. From me, from here is good morning.